Ngayon po, ang topic natin naman ay kung paano natin mapapakain ang tuta natin na hindi po mahilig kumain o mahirap pakainin ng dog food. 4-month-old pa lang po ang aming puppy, medyo nahihirapan po kaming pakainin siya. Ano muna? So, ito na po. Tingnan po natin. Dahan-dahan lang po at ating panoorin. Gusto pa sinusubuan. Ayaw niyang kumain sa mag-isa lang siya. Ayun ba yan? Oh. Ay, nako. So, hindi kakain to pag di mo sinubuan. My gosh. Diyos ko po, baby na. Ano ba yan? Oh, gusto naman niya yung K9. Kaya lang, pag ilalagay mo sa plate niya, ayaw niya kainin on his own. Gusto niya susubuan mo siya. Oh my God, ano na yan? Paano na yan? Oh, pag inilagay mo yan dyan, wala. Naku, ganun tong doggy boy. Napaka-spoiled mo, ha? Spoiled, paano na yan? Oh, once more. I'll get more, ha? Look at that. He likes Royal K9. But he wants me to feed him. He doesn't like eating on his own. That is the biggest problem. Oh. Gusto niya talaga feeding. Feeding siya. Ano ba naman tong dog na to? 4-month-old Jack Russell. Makulit. So you want it na? Diyos ko po. Paano yan? Ganyan na lang tayo. Lagi na lang kitang feed. Ano na yan? Abu? Come here. Si Abu. Abu is over there. Look at Abu. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hindi ka na. Here. Come near Abu. Look at both of them. They're near each other. Takbo-takbo ito si Abu, pero pag ano naman, babalik-balik din naman siya sa where the dog is. Ang cute nila. Come. Oh, diba? Yan. So, you meet each other. You have to be friends with each other, okay? Yan. Diyos ko, nakakakain ka pag may playmate ka in front of you. So, this is our pets. This is Persian cat. Yan, ang cute niya, diba? You know? Oh, there you are. I call this cat Abu. And this one is... I call this dog COVID. But many disagree. Yeah. Sometimes I call him Retazo as well, so he's not confused of what his name is. My sister call him Spot. Oh, what happened? Why you feel itchy? What is that? Let me see. Oh, you don't have naman any putas, diba? So meet with the cat, okay? Sige, you play together. Now you're near with each other, huh? There you are. Yan, meet and greet kayo. Meet and greet. hinahatak niya, oh. Hinahatak niya yung trigger. Kasi when you pull that, thing, magmumove yung daga na yan. Naku, papatirin na. Naku, Diyos ko. Wala ka bang toy na sa VIP? Naman this dog. Naku, teka baka sirain. Stop it, Cobb. Covid.
Shout out sa ating mga whitey friends forever. Eve Colma's Kitchen, Joyce Young, Mega Steven, Oz Pinoy Supermom, Arafi, King Tosh Family Vlogs, iGirl PH, Jojo the Chicken Calabre, Chichai's House, Homelas TV, Mama Sandy, It's Me Maya, at Vic Joe.